In this video, the teacher encourages her students to use the school environment to explore and understand the concept of classification of living organisms.
Good morning, children. Today we are going to talk about diversity in living organisms. We'll be doing an interesting activity which will tell you how it's important, to classify things.
As an introductory activity, the teacher asks two students to help sort items of stationery on her desk.
Can you sort out or classify things which are there on the table? Can you do it? Let us see how fast you will be able to do it. Now others, are you observing what are they trying to do? They are putting pencils separately, scales separately, erasers separately, okay, and they are trying to organize things, okay. Now we have an idea how we can classify things into various categories. Now let us do another activity today which will help us to classify plants maybe. So what we will be doing is, now you get 5 minutes, you will all be going to the school grounds and then you will be collecting different leaf samples. Clear? And then we will be working in pairs and each pair will be analyzing what kind of leaf samples you are having, and then depending on that you will come here and give your presentation and views.
Don't step there. But see, yes, this one, the outlining is different, different color.
This one is not rough
and
this
the
is
color is, and the
This one is
sleeve.
smooth too.
Yes, children, all of us have collected the leaf samples and we will try to analyze the different types of leaf samples based on the different characteristics. Now, what are the various characteristics of leaves which we can take into consideration? Shape of the leaf, texture of the leaf, the lamina. You know what is the lamina in a leaf? The outer margin. Yes?
Yes.
The lamina can be smooth, lamina can be wavy. Like you just now collected some Ashoka leaves, they have a wavy margin.
Yes.
Yes? Okay. Now all of you will be working with your partners. Try that there is no movement in the class. Work from wherever you are sitting. Discuss with your partner and see what kind of features are you seeing in your samples.
curved like conical. This is very rough.
Work in pairs.
इसकी क्या है?
Size of tip or
And it has heavy body also.
legma.
It is a very long tip.
This one.
It said
Starch.
also, it said also starch.
Starch. Heavy.
But
It's have
very good.
Many petals.
many petals.
It look nice. And it is also a wavy body also.
We had a lot of time with our leaf specimens. Now can we have some feedback from all of you? First of all, Aditya, can you share your experiences?
First of all, I got is a very, a very smooth leaf. If you touch it, it's so smooth, almost like silk.
Can you identify that leaf? That's rubber tree, ficus.
Then what I found was these leaves which were so wavy in, their
The lamina is very wavy, yes, the
and
margin.
and they were smoother than this one. They were so smooth that you could.
Okay.
In the school, I managed to find all kinds of classification of the leaves that you have told us. This classification is based on the shape of the tip, as you can see, size and lamina of the leaf. This is
This is a big leaf.
and texture of this leaf is very smooth in contrast to this leaf. And
Which leaf is this? Anyone can guess? Yes? This is again, it's a very dry kind of a leaf, okay? And we see that the shape is also like it has a pointed tip. I think we all had diverse ideas about the different kinds of leaves that we collected. But now we are not talking only about trees or leaves. We were actually talking about diversity in living organisms. Now let me share with you another concept, that is key. Key is actually a system which was devised in olden times by scientists just to classify things according to the features that they have. So how do we use a key? For example, you get hold of any unknown plant. Okay, you get a leaf or you get a small twig from somewhere. This is a new thing that you have seen. You have never seen it before, and there's no one around to tell you the name of that plant. What you can do is you can go to the library, go and get the Bentham and Hooker key. Now what do you see in the key? First question, for example, in the key on page number 1 is whether it's a simple leaf or a compound leaf. If it says it's a simple leaf, go to page number 4. If it is a compound leaf, go to page number 7. If you go to page number 4, again there will be a question. It has parallel venation or it has reticulate venation. Then depending on that, you go to another page number, and actually in the end, what do you get? You get the name of that plant.
If you use everyday examples to explain scientific concepts, your students will find them easier to understand.